Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to get your Refer a Friend link inside Interactive Brokers. Start by logging into your Interactive Brokers portal. Once you are logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen. You will see your profile picture. Click on it to open the account menu. From here, choose the option called Settings. When the Settings page opens, scroll through the available options until you see Refer a Friend. Select this option. Now you will be taken to the Refer a Friend page, where Interactive Brokers explains how the program works and shows your unique referral link. At the top of this page, you will see a short explanation of the program and the benefits. The page clearly shows the eligibility rules. To take part in the program, you must be an Interactive Brokers client with either an individual or a joint account. Your account must have a net liquidation value of at least $2,000. You must also have placed at least one securities trade. Only then can you use the Refer a Friend program. Your friend must create their Interactive Brokers account using your unique referral link. If they do not use your link, neither of you will qualify for the program. There are also some limitations. People who live in Japan, Denmark, Spain, Portugal, Poland, or Israel cannot use the Refer a Friend program. Tax-deferred accounts are also not allowed. Financial advisors, hedge funds, and institutional accounts cannot take part either. Thanks for watching.